Dear students of Standard 3, welcome back to your GK class. We have finished chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4. So we'll get into chapter 5. I had given you some exercises. I hope you have done it, or you may be doing, or you must have completed that one. So in chapter 1 we spoke about useful wild plant, which is in page number 5. Parts of a plant, chapter 2, page number 6. Chapter 3 speaks about flower quiz, which is in page number 7. And chapter 4 speaks about defense mechanism of animals. How do they protect themselves? So different things, all these things I have explained to you. I had given you the homework, and I suppose you have done the homework. So there is one more homework which is left out, which is exercise which contains 6 questions. This exercise contains 6 questions, and in help box it is written, given the help box gives you the clue. So please read. I read only the question, and you have to write the answer. Which long-haired ox-like animal found in the mountains of Tibet is a source of milk and clothing? Which bird found in Antarctica can swim but not fly? Which is the world's largest animal? Which animal is endangered because of its ivory tusks? Which is the only animal to grow antlers that are branched and shed every year? Which sea animal comes to land to lay eggs? So here we have the clue in help box: blue whale, turtle, yak, deer, penguin, elephant. So these are the answers for the questions. So I will do one for you. Which is the world's largest animal? Which is the world's largest animal? And the answer is blue whale. What is the answer? Blue whale. This is the largest animal that we have in the world today. Now we'll get into next chapter, chapter 5, which speaks what am I? We ask question, what am I? Isn't it? Before just we enter into the lesson, I would just like to explain to little story which is there at the end of your page number 11. At the end of your page, I read the story for you. Okay, please listen. According to a Chinese legend, Shennong, the emperor of China, was drinking a bowl of boiled water when a few leaves from a nearby camellia tree blew into the bowl, changing its color, aroma and taste. Thus, tea was discovered. How the tea was discovered? One day, the Chinese emperor Shennong was drinking a bowl of boiled water, and there was a plant nearby which was known as camellia plant, and wind was blowing, and because of the wind a few leaves flew and fell into the bowl, and it changed its color, and it has got a beautiful smell, and it had taste, and from there that tea was discovered. This is the legend, this is the story. So we have to enter into the topic now. So Abir wants to keep a garden. Help him identify the different leaves that are useful and can be grown in the garden. Take the help of the clues and pictures given below. So we have seen, or you have seen, trees, and trees are covered with leaves. So we can say leaves are blanket of tree, a blanket of trees, giving many things to the tree. It is because of the leaves that trees live. So we say that leaves are kitchen or storehouse. It is leaves which prepare the food for the plant or for the tree. And there are leaves which are very useful and it's medicinal. So here we have, there are 5 kinds of leaves which are shown here. And I read for you. You have seen all these leaves and you have to fill in the blanks with the help of the help box. So what are the things in the help box? Banana, holy basil, that is tulsi, mint, coriander and neem. These are the leaves. These are the different leaves. Banana, holy basil, that is tulsi, mint, coriander and neem. These leaves are very useful to human beings. We use in our day-to-day life. Question number 1. Some people worship me and use me to treat cough and cold. I am a stalk of dash leaves. I am used for garnishing dishes and making chutney. I am a stalk of dash leaves. I am a herb with this distinctive smell. My leaves are used to add flavor to food. I give a distinct additional flavor to drinks like lemonade. I am a stalk of dash leaves. I am a large and waterproof. I can be used for cooking, wrapping and serving food. In olden days, I was even used as a writing sheet. I am a dash leaf. I am used as a cure for various skin diseases. I also help in keeping pests and mosquitoes away. I am a stalk of dash leaves. So you see here the leaves, these leaves you have seen by in our daily use, we use these leaves. So please fill in the blanks. What are these leaves? Read the questions time and again to answer it. So I am not going to give you any answer. I have read, I have explained to you what it is, and you have seen these leaves with your own eyes. So this is neem leaves, this is banana leaf, this is mint, this is coriander, this is tulsi. So these are the leaves that we have. So you can use to fill the blanks, understanding the question. So for today, we conclude here. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you and have a nice time.